Hello everyone around the world. So let's do like a quick repair here. What do we have here? We have this external. This is a 500 external drive that came in for repair from one of our customer. And what the customer is saying, he's saying the external just stop working when you plug in other peripherals devices which are working with on USBs like keyboards, USB drive, mouse. Uh, Soon, if I plug this external, other those all other devices will stop working. Like the keyboard will stop responding instantly, the mouse immediately will stop responding. So that is what the customer is saying. So what I will do, I want to plug it here. Why? Because in in order to have those devices like mouse work again, we have to restart the computer. So I can't do it on this computer which I'm using for recording right now. Okay? But we'll test. We'll test with a laptop. I think we can. I do have a laptop here. I do have it. That's the drive. Let's test with a laptop. 099. Let's test with a laptop. These are my own laptop to see what this thing is doing exactly. Here we have two partitions here. As you can see, this is 1 terabyte with two partitions. I'll plug in the external. You can see the error message. Maybe you can't see. You see this error message? What the error message is saying? Power surge on the USB port. A non-USB device needs more power than the port can supply. That's the error message that we are getting here. And here it's not responding. So that's the thing about this drive. So let's see what can be wrong on this external. Are we able to help this customer or not? Let's see. So before we can check the drive, we want to pay attention to this panel. This panel, that's what we want to pay attention to. So that's the panel. We have the main chip here. We have this crystal. We have a coil. We have some capacitors. I think we can check those capacitors for short. Diode mode. Let's check the capacitors. This capacitor is shorted. And this one. Even this one is shorted. Maybe. Here we have more capacitors here. Just a random checking of ceramic capacitors. That's what I'm doing here. This one is reading a short 0 ohms. Okay. What is here? I think the problem is just here. Check those capacitors. Okay, we have the charging port. The charging port looks fine. But next to this charging port, we have this capacitor. It's reading a short. This is a short. The capacitor looks like corroded, or yeah, I think some kind of corrosion. But we'll try. Where's my where's my spray? Where is my spray? What do you think about those capacitors? Huh? What happened here? Huh? What I want to do, I don't want to waste time. Let's take down those capacitors. After that, we'll see. What I want, I need something here so that I won't melt my plastic. I need something like this. So I think we can do it now. Okay. The capacitors are out. Replacement. One replacement of those capacitors. Okay. I'm taking the capacitors from a laptop motherboard. Let's see now. Let's try to replace those capacitors. The other one here. All the capacitors, they are now in place. Uh, I'm not happy. It seems like the capacitors, they are not properly connected to the motherboard. Good. Now, let's see. Let's see. Do you now have a short there? Let's check. The, oh, this one wasn't connected properly. Huh? This capacitor. This capacitor. What I want to do, I want to use a little bit of solder. You know, soldering small components can be very hard. I can't believe that you are taking so long just to solder a capacitor. Now, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Good. I'm sure we've done it this time. Now let's check. Let's check for shorts. Good, good, good. On those capacitors, this one is too shorted. Okay. Maybe it's a low power rail. Maybe that core is operating, because I can say we have a coil, we have a chip here. Maybe it's working with lower voltage. So let's test. Let's test to see if we have a working external. That's very important. We need that laptop again. We need that laptop. Uh, we didn't. I need to insert this thing properly here. Do you think we have any working external? Let's see. Plug in the power. I can hear the sound of the hard drive spinning when I touch the external. I'm just waiting to see something here. Oh, is it working or it's not working? Again, let's see. Let's see. Let's change the port. Maybe this port is the one which is misbehaving. Let's put the lower port. And we have light. You see the light? And it's working. Check here. It's working. Huh? We disconnect. We put back the drive. It must appear here. Must appear here. Come on. I think this port has got some loose connections. Again. And we have a working drive here. So our external is working and we have light here. At first there was no light. You have blue light here. That means the 5 volts is no longer interrupted and is passing from the USB port to the external. So yeah, that was the repair. I'll stop this video now because already the mission is accomplished. So I'll stop this video. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also share our videos to your beloved friends and relatives all over the world. See you on the next one. Bye.